Hi children, this is Praveen Bollepogu, your math teacher. So children, today I would like to introduce the new chapter class 7 fractions and decimal. Chapter name is fractions and decimal. Fractions and decimals. Fractions and decimals. So in 5th class onwards, the children are learning about the what is the fraction, what is numerator, what is denominator, like that. That is the terminology, basic terminology about the fractions. So decimal also one another concept about the fractions and decimals. So first of all, we have to discuss about the fraction, children. What is fraction? What is the meant by fraction means? First of all, we have to know the definition of fractions. Fraction. What is the fraction definition, children? A part of a whole. A part of a whole. A part of a whole. First of all, we have to justify the what is the whole. Part of a whole means full part is there. So there are some parts are there. For example, your birthday, tomorrow your birthday, your father bring the cake, cool cake or cool cake. It is the full cake. It is the full cake for you. It is the full cake for you. You have 8 friends are there. You have 8 friends. You have to invite the 8 friends. So how many parts you have to divide this 8 parts? It is absolutely 8 parts. Okay children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 parts we have to divide. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 friend. 8 parts you have to divide. So each one having the one part of the cake. For example, your friend Ramesh having the one part. Ramesh having the one part of the cake. Shaded part, children. This is one part of cake. How many parts you have to given to your friend Ramesh? One part only. And total how many parts you have to divide? 8 parts. 1 by 8. Ramesh having the 1 by 8 part of the cake. Next, Lata. Imagine Lata. It is Lata's part. She also got the 1 by 8 part of cake. That means one part of she is having. So 1 by 8. 8 friends are there. 1 by 8 and 1 by 8 and 1 by 8 and 1 by 8 and 1 by 8. This is the 1 by 8 part of Ramesh. There are 8 friends are there, means you have to divide the 8 parts of the cake. That means what is the meant by that cake means 1 by 8, one friend, second friend, third friend, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8 friends are having the one full cake. 8 friends are having the one full cake. One full cake you have to divide 8 parts. These are the 8 friends of you. So it is called part of a whole. This is the part of a whole, like that. This is called fraction, children. This is called fraction. In fraction, for example, 3 by 5 is also a fraction. How many total parts here? 5. How many total parts here? 5. How many parts you have to shade and means it is another example for you. It is 2 parts, 1, 2, 3 parts, 4 parts and 5 parts. It is divided to 5 parts only, not equal parts. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. How many parts here? 3 parts are shaded. First, second, third. This is the fraction of 3 by 5. This is the fraction of 3 by 5. Okay children, 1, 2, 3, 3 by 5. Okay children, 3 by 5 fraction. It is called numerator. It is called denominator. You already know about this. Denominator. It is called numerator. It is called denominator. This is called fraction, children. Fraction. Next concept is types. Next concept is types of fraction. But before going to the topic, I would like to introduce you another example also. Your father bring the one apple for you and your brother or sister. One apple for your brother and sister. For you and your sister or brother, no problem, anyone. How many parts you have to share that? Your two children for your parents. Your father bring the one apple only. So you had to cut these two equal parts. How many parts? Two equal parts. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay children, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 also equal 1 only. It is the part of a whole. This is the part of a whole. Part of a whole. This is the definition for the fraction. For example, 4 members are there in your family, means you have to divide this apple 4 parts. That is called 1 by 4 part, 1 by 4 part, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. 4 parts are you are dividing. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is equal to full apple. So this is the justification about the examples for the what is the fraction. Okay children, what is the fraction? Next one, types of fractions. We have types of fractions. Next one, types of fractions. Types of fractions. So first one is proper fraction. Proper fraction. Second one is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Third one is mixed fraction. Fourth one is like fraction. Fifth one is unlike fractions. Sixth one is equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. Sixth one is equivalent fractions. Unit fraction also is there children. So we have to discuss about these all concepts about the proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction and equivalent fraction. Now types of fraction. First one is proper fraction. What is proper fraction? What is a proper fraction? The proper fraction having the one definition, proper fraction having the one definition children. So the numerator is less than to the denominator is called proper fraction children. Numerator is less than to the denominator is called proper fraction. Proper fraction. It is the definition for proper fraction. What are the examples for proper fraction? Numerator is less than. Numerator is less than. Remember this word less than means 3 by 5, 8 by 9, 100 by 200, like that only. 1 by 2 also. 1 by 2 also. Numerator is less than to the denominator. It is the definition for that. Numerator is less than to the denominator. So you have to compare these two numbers. This is 3, this is 5. 3 is less than to the compared to the 5. 8 is less than to the 9. 100 is less than to the 200. 1 is less than to the 2. Children, remember this. Next, second one is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Children, it is quite opposite to the proper fraction children. It is quite opposite to the proper fraction. So numerator is greater than to the denominator is called improper fraction. Improper fraction. numerator is greater than, it is less than. Remember these two words, don't confuse here. Numerator is less than to the denominator, here numerator is greater than to the denominator. For example, reverse to these fractions, 5 by 3, 9 by 8 and 200 by 100 and 2 by 1. 2 by 1, remember this word, 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. 2 by 1 means only 2 only. Only 2 only. Okay children? So it is the improper fraction children. Numerator is greater than to the denominator is called improper fraction. So you can observe here, it is a proper fraction, it is quite opposite to the improper fraction. 5 by 3. Numerator is greater than to the denominator. That means 5 is greater than to the 3. 9 is greater than to the 8. 200 is greater than to the 100. 2 is greater than to the 1. That means whole numbers also. Whole number means we already discussed about the in previous video integers chapter na. So whole number means for example 5. 5 can be written as 5 by 1. It is also a improper fraction. Whole number also a improper fraction children. Next one is mixed fraction. Third one is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means what? The combination of whole number and proper fraction is called whole number, and proper fraction is called not improper fraction. Not improper fraction. Remember this word. The combination of whole number and proper fraction is called mixed fraction. No need to definition here. 3 1 by 2, 5 7 by 8, 100 15 by 20. These are the mixed fraction examples. Next, very important concept here I would like to introduce here. So improper fraction convert into mixed improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. Improper fraction convert into improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. It is the important concept about the fractions and decimals. In the examination purpose also it is very important. So many times is asking that about this concept only. Mixed improper fraction convert into mixed fraction convert into improper fraction also is there. First of all, we have to discuss about the improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. We would like to take the 5 by 3 improper fraction example. This is example 5 by 3. We had to divide with 3, 5. 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3 means 2. So it is the denominator. It is the remainder 2. So 1 2 by 3. 1 2 by 3. 1 2 by 3 is the mixed fraction to the improper fraction. The improper fraction convert to mixed fraction means we had to divide that. After we got the mixed fraction children, 1 2 by 3. 1 2 by 3. That is equal to, it is one formula is here, quotient and remainder by divisor. Quotient into remainder by divisor. So this is the formula for that. Improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. Remember this concept. You have to divide any number you can given means 8 by 5. For example, 8 by 5. 5 we can divide with 8. 1 5s are 5. Remainder 3 is there na. 1 3 by 5. It is another example for that. 1 3 by 5. 1 3 by 5 children. Next one is mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. Mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. So for example, we would like 3 5 by 8. For example, 3 5 by 8. Here one formula is there, children. So it is the whole number, it is numerator, it is denominator na. Whole number, numerator, denominator is there na. So we would like to introduce the denominator. Denominator into whole number, denominator into whole number plus numerator by again denominator. So one shortcut formula is that d into w plus n by d. This is the formula for that. D into w plus n by d. D means denominator, w means whole number, n means numerator. Here d means denominator. So take one example and prove this. 3 5 by 8. 3 5 by 8. It is the mixed fraction. It is converted into improper fraction. So 8 denominator 8 into 3 plus 5 and numerator by denominator. Therefore 8 3s are 24 plus 5 by 8, that is equal 24 plus 5 29 by 8. It is the improper fraction, children. It is the mixed fraction, we have to convert into improper fraction. It is the example for you. Another example, take another example. 5 6 by 8, again 8 or 7 7 into 5 plus 6 by 7. So 7 5s are 35 plus 6 by 7, that implies 35 plus 6 41 by 7. That is the improper fraction for the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is 5 6 by 7. It is converted into improper fraction, means 41 by 7 will get. Next fraction is like fractions, unlike fractions. Like fractions, like fractions. What is the like fraction definition? Means the fractions which are having the same denominator is called like fractions. For example, the schools are conducting the examinations, they are gave to question paper for 100 or 80, for 100 or 80, for 9th to 10th 100 marks, for 6th to 8th class 80 marks. SA1 for example, SA1 exams conducted by the government, they give to question paper by 100, for 100 or 80. The children are got the so many marks. For example, Razu got the 75 out of 100. Sita got the 80 by 100. Both of these, who are getting the highest marks? 80 is the highest marks, absolutely. We already know about that. What is the greatest fraction, what is the smallest fraction, like that compared to the fractions. That concept, another concept. After that I will tell you. So it is the 75 by 100, 80 by 100. It is compared to very easy. So compare చేయడానికి ఈజీగా ఉంటాయి లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ అనేవి. లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ ఎందుకు అంటే ఒక ఫ్రాక్షన్లో రెండు ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ ఇస్తే ఏది గ్రేటెస్ట్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఏది స్మాలెస్ట్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ చెప్పడానికి ఈజీగా ఐడెంటిఫై చేయడం కోసం ఇది ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్. ఓకే, next like fractions, the fractions having the denominator same, those are called like fractions. For example, 3 by 5, 7 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, these all are under like fractions. The numerator and denominator different means those are called unlike fraction, children. Unlike fractions. 3 by 5, 7 by 8, 8 by 100, 3 by 4, like that. These are the different, numerator and denominator different. Here denominators all are equal. Okay children. Next, this is like fraction, unlike fraction, equivalent fraction. Very very important. Equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. So children are learning this equivalent fraction. It is useful to addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction also. Addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction also, and also ascending order, descending order also. It is useful to ascending order, descending order, addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions. It is very useful to you. So children, listen carefully here onwards. Equivalent fractions. What are the equivalent fractions means? So for example, we can take 3 by 5 example. 3 by 5 example, children. What is the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 means? We have to multiply with numerator and denominator with 2. Okay children. So 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. 3 by 5 is equal to 6 by 10. So many of children thinking it is greater to compare the 3 by 5. 6 by 10 is the greater fraction to compare to the 3 by 5. Why they are thinking like that means it is 3 na numerator in 3 na denominator in 5. So in numerator in the second fraction 6. They comparing the numbers. It is 3, it is 6. It is 5, it is 10. That's why it is the greatest fraction to the comparison of 3 by 5. So దీంతో కంపేర్ చేస్తే ఇది ఎక్కువ అని ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారు పిల్లలు. సో ఇది చాలా మిస్టేక్ పిల్లలు చేసే ప్రతి దానిలో ఎగ్జామ్లో they did the mistake means it is only. Okay children. So how will they get 3 by 5 means here lowest form of the fraction, that is the answer. Another concept. After this concept I will tell that. So it is 2 table in this 2 table in this 3 times will get 2 table in this 5 times will get 3 by 5, 3 by 5 will get. Next one 3 by 5 into 3 3. 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. So 3 by 5 it is equals to 9 by 15. These two are so equivalent fractions. Okay children. So here also 3 table 3 times 3 table 5 times 3 by 5 will get. Okay children. So in the examination he is asked at least 4 equivalent fractions. In the examination he is asking like that write 4 equivalent fractions of 3 by 5, 7 by 8, 100 by 200 like that. So we have to do like this only. What we have to do here, the numerator and denominator multiply with same number, not different numbers. The numerator and denominator multiply with the same digit only, same number only. The numerator and denominator with the same number only we have to multiply. So up to 4 decimals, up to 4 fractions we have to learn, must and should children. Okay children. Okay children, up to equivalent fractions were completed in this video. So next video I will upload the concepts are 4 concepts are there: addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions, multiplication of fractions, division of fractions, and one more concept, very important concept, ascending and descending order of the fractions. Ascending and descending order of the fraction. Thank you children. Those who are not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share, like my videos. Thank you.